The bolt from your M&P 1522 firearm must be inspected to determine whether it exhibits the condition identified in the M&P 1522 Consumer Safety Alert. To determine whether your firearm is affected by this condition, please inspect your firearm by following the inspection instructions provided here. The issue described in the M&P 1522 Consumer Safety Alert can occur in the following two scenarios. With a loaded magazine in the firearm and the bolt locked to the rear, depressing the bolt release to allow the bolt to drop freely may ignite the round as the bolt closes without engaging the trigger and with the safety selector in either the safe or the fire position, and may also result in multiple discharges. With a loaded magazine in the firearm, bolt in the closed position and a round in the chamber and the safety selector in the fire position, depressing the trigger will cause the round to fire normally. However, as the bolt cycles, the next round may be ignited by the bolt crushing the rim of the case as it closes, causing multiple discharges. Verify that the chamber is empty and the firearm is unloaded. Remove the safety flag from the chamber by pulling the charging handle to the rear, removing the flag, and letting the bolt move to its forward position. Push in the takedown pin from the left of the lower receiver and pull the pin out on the right of the receiver until it comes to a positive stop. Pivot the lower receiver down and away from upper receiver. This may require a bit of force. Pull the charging handle to the rear and remove the bolt assembly, which includes the charging handle. To inspect the bolt, first ensure that the cartridge rim recess in the bolt face is clean and clear of any debris prior to inspection using the gauge. Insert the gauge into the cartridge rim recess in the bolt face. The gauge should sit flat on the inside of the cartridge rim recess. If the gauge is flush or below the bolt face, the bolt is within specification and does not need replacement. Proceed to reassembling your rifle. If the gauge is above the surface of the bolt face, the bolt is not within specification and needs to be replaced.